The Bakken Swiss 2-piece Mini Nonstick Egg Pan is a helpful set. It includes a small 5.5-inch pan. It also comes with a spatula. This set is great for making single eggs. You can also cook small pancakes. The copper golden non-stick surface is Bella. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is a breeze. It feels like a cloud when you're cooking. This Bakken Swiss 2-piece Mini Nonstick Egg Pan works on all stoves. Gas, electric, and ceramic cooktops are all fine. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This means your food cooks well. There are no hot spots. The handle stays cool to the touch. This makes cooking safer and easier. It offers good resistance to heat. For the holiday season or any day, the Bakken Swiss 2-piece Mini Nonstick Egg Pan is a nice addition. It's eco-friendly too. It is made without toxic materials. This Bakken Swiss 2-piece Mini Nonstick Egg Pan makes cooking simple. It does not cost a lot of money. It is a good pledge for easy breakfasts. There are many positive characteristics. These elements make it a useful tool. You will enjoy the services it provides for quick meals. Payment is worth the convenience. Pros: for eggs, pancakes, for all stoves, non-toxic, eco-friendly, 2-piece set, compact size, quick cooking. Even heat. Cons: not for high heat, coating may degrade, only good for small portions, may not be durable. Long-term, limited to basic cooking, spatula is basic, could be uneven heating, handle might get hot. Features: Bakken Swiss 2-piece Mini Nonstick Egg Pan, Omelette Pan 5.5 inches copper, golden, non-stick. Skillet, eco-friendly. This Bakken Swiss set has 2 small pans for cooking eggs and omelets. The pans are 5.5 inches wide and have a copper or golden non-stick surface, so food should not stick. They can be used on all kinds of stoves and are made with materials that are good for the environment and safe to use. These pans are easy to clean and are designed for making small meals like eggs and pancakes. This Bakken Swiss 2-piece mini pan set has a small 5.5-inch non-stick pan with a copper or golden coating. Good for cooking single eggs or pancakes on any stove type. It's designed to be eco-friendly and non-toxic, heating quickly and evenly, but it's not meant for high heat and is best for small portions. The set includes a basic spatula, and while the pan is compact and easy to clean, the non-stick coating might wear out over time. It may not be very durable, and the handle could get hot.